Welcome back. Saturday was the last day to submit applications for the post of Chief Information Commissioner and State Information Commissioner. 21 applications have been received for the post of Chief Information Commissioner and 27 applications for the State Information Commissioner's post. 3 names have been nominated for the post. Special committee will shortlist the names for the post and forward them to the government.
Chief Information Commissioner and State Information Commissioner's position is vacant in Goa. 25th May was the last day for filing applications for the post. 21 applications have been received for the post of Chief Information Commissioner and 27 for the State Information Commissioner's post. Around 12 to 13 candidates have applied for the 2 posts. However, 3 names have been nominated for the post. Major names that figure in the list of candidates for the post are Minin Pires, former Information Director; Dr. Pradeep Padwal, former Project Director of AIDS Control Society; Stanley Coutinho, retired IAS officer. The application for both the posts will be forwarded to the Special Committee. The Special Committee is constituted by the Chief Secretary of Goa, Law Secretary and Secretary for Information and Publicity. Names for the post will be shortlisted by the committee and will be sent to the Goa government. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Mining dependents will receive mining package from Friday onwards. Sakri MLA Pramod Sawant, who is also a member secretary of the Mining Assistance Committee, informed that 900 truck owners and 250 mining workers will get their packages from Friday onwards. He has also cleared that the government will relax the rule of ESI and PF certificates for applicants. Many contract-based workers do not have PF and ESI certificates. Government will modify procedure for applications. It will be on the first-come, first-served basis.
जी आसा पळय न्ही ही बँकर्सां कडेन घेवप सुरू केल्लें आसा ऑलरेडी मिटींग जाता तेंची जाता तितके बेगीन एक तर आमचो डिमांड आसा रिस्ट्रक्चर करचें म्हणून म्हणजे वी आर आस्किंग फॉर द रिस्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द लोन किंवा या गव्हर्मेंट इज आस्किंग म्हणजे तांकां हेल्प करचें म्हणून अशें आसा हय कितें जालां जाणा म्हणजे इतकें कमी कित्याक तर तांकां एक म्हणजे तांकां आमी म्हटलेलें की PF डिडक्शन जाता तें आसचें किंवा त्यांच्याकडे ESI आसचे बरेचशे कडेन वर्कर्स जे आसा पळय त्यांच्याकडे हे डॉक्युमेंट्स क्लियर ना तरी सुद्दां आतां आमी कितें सांगलां तांकां तुमी सबमीट करात ताजेर गव्हर्मेंट कितें तरी निर्णय घेतलो म्हणजे आतां बरेचशे कडेन PF कट जायनाशिल्लो ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर आसलेले तांकां सांगलां आतां एप्लिकेशन सबमीट करात पयलीं तेंच्यांनी आपल्या कडेन कांयच नाशिल्ले डॉक्युमेंट म्हणून सबमीट करिनाशिल्ले थोड्या जाणांक पयलीं विश्वासूय नाशिल्लो तो बट आतां सगळे जाण परत सबमीट करपाक लागल्या म्हणजे तेजो आंकडो आतां वाडटलो हय मागीर रिफर करपाक जाता म्हणजे तेजेर कितें आसा ते चेंजीस करून तांकां रिलीज करूं येता अशें आसा टोटल ट्रक अप्रॉक्सिमेट 900 आतापर्यंत रिलीज झाली वर्कर्स 250 ना फिडिंग जे जाला पळय न्ही त्या प्रमाणे तांकां रिलीज केले वयतले न्ही सो दॅट फिडिंग जायत आसा ऑलरेडी त्या प्रमाणे तांकां फुडल्या 1 ते 10 तारखेच्या मदीं परत 1000 भर ट्रकांक मेळटले किंवा वर्कर्स आसा जाल्यार एक 500 सुमार वर्करांक मेळटले.
Goa Union of Journalists elected their new president. Kishore Naik Gaonkar has been elected by 90 votes. 4 candidates had contested the election. Guj elections was held on Saturday in Panji. New executive committee was also elected.
The election was held between 4 candidates. PTI special correspondent Rupesh Samant, Goa Doot reporter Kishore Naik, Lokmat reporter Sudesh Alekar, Tarun Bharat journalist Raju Naik were the candidates for the post of Guj president. Rupesh Samant and Sudesh Alekar got 22 votes. Raju Naik got 21 votes. Kishore Naik Gaonkar was elected with 90 votes.
पत्रकार जो एक घटक असा जो समाजा खातीर वावुरता त्या पत्रकारांचे वेगवेगळे विषय असतात आणि जे विषय दुर्लक्षित असतात पत्रकारांचे विषय हे केन्नाच पेपराचेर येना पत्रकारांचेर अन्याय जो जाता तेका तो व्यक्त करपाची साधनाच ना पत्रकार आपली दुःखां व्यक्त करू शकना पत्रकार हो समाजाची दुःखां व्यक्त करत असतात पूण हे करीत असताना पत्रकाराक असंख्य समस्या असंख्य अडचणी तांकां सामोरे जावचे वयता आणि ह्यो अडचणी ह्यो समस्या सरकार दरबारी मांडपाक आणि ताका न्याय मेळोवन दिवपा खातीर ही आमची गोवा युनियन ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट गुज ही संघटना आसा.
New executive committee was also appointed. Following other members: Premnath Gowde, Sangamitra Mayankar Faldesai, Suhasini Prabhu Gaonkar, Kishore Shet Mandrekar, Kailash Naik, Yashwant Patil, Ashley Rosario, Sudesh Arlekar, Gerald D'Souza, Ganesh Shetkar, Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.